Save settings in menus with favorites. In a perfect workplace, every tool is where it is needed. And it is set up perfectly. And that's exactly what you can do with the commands in NX. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. If you often have to drill holes of a certain size, set your drill to a suitable size. Hide unneeded options with Hide Collapsed Groups. Now save the settings with Dialog Options and Save Favorite As. I create 3 more favorites. The favorites are listed in alphabetical order and are ready for selection. In other words, the drill is ready to go. Values can be changed in between. The changed values are displayed the next time the command is started. But by clicking on Reset, the saved values are entered again. You can use Save Favorite to change favorites that have already been created. To integrate the favorites into the user interface, select Customize in the context menu and drag the text New User command to the desired position. The name is changed via the context menu. The favorite is then selected with Edit action. This means that the favorite can now be started directly. Several favorites can also be combined in a pull-down menu. Start Customize again and drag the new drop-down text to the desired position. Now drag the commands into the drop-down menu. Finally, select the desired display. To delete favorites, you must determine the storage location. Open the log file under File, Help, and search for these environment variables. On a local workstation, this variable indicates the storage location of the favorites. If favorites are deleted here, they are automatically removed from the menu the next time NX is started. If you cannot find the favorites subfolder there, search under this variable. As an administrator, you can also manage the favorites centrally. As an example, a favorite is created for the measure command. This should only measure a non-associative distance. Groups that are not required are hidden. When saving a favorite under Level, select the setting, Site. The site level is only displayed if this environment variable has been set. You can then find the storage location by searching for this variable in the log file. If this was helpful for you, then give me a like, and support LearnNX with your subscription. And what topic would you like to suggest for tips and tricks? Just write a comment.